Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, March 26, 2026. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result. Ngayon Thursday, March 26, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong March 26, 2026 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto, 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, March 26, 2026. Here are the two next jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Super Lotto 649 for March 26, 2026 Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, March 26, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.